going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. I purchased these solar lights right here. They was a 2-pack. I gave one to my father-in-law and then I kept one, and I have to say that it's a game changer when you don't need batteries no more, you guys. It is what it is. So you can use the sun to power up your light, and then with that you have your USB Type-C and USB connectors right there. All right, you turn your light on, and the light is fairly bright. I used it outside and it has a nice little spotlight to it. All right, strobe lights, and then you click the bottom, you have your light on the side right there. I just wanted to show y'all this. The one that I purchased, these ones are currently unavailable, but I will link another variation of them just so y'all can have something, especially for the campers out there or the off-gridders, the people that's tired of buying batteries and stuff like that. All right, you guys, so we have the flashlight right here, the solar flashlight. I think this is probably one of the coolest things I have purchased. Yes, we are prepared in case the electrical grid goes down. We have a little flashlight right here that will be supplied by the sun, unless they find a way to block the sun. All right, so we are in our garage, and as you can see, this thing gives out a nice little spotlight right there. I'm gonna click it again. You get your strobe. I'm gonna click it again and it turns off. That was the top button. On the bottom is the side light. So you have your side light right here. All right, now what I'm going to do is turn the light off, and hopefully the sensor don't sense me, and we are going to go ahead and turn it on. And this thing is pretty bright. Strobe off. I'm gonna hit the bottom, and the side light gives you enough light to light up the whole garage. Okay, let me see if I could take this out back real quick to show y'all the backyard. All right, you guys, so we are in the backyard. It is pretty dark out here, so I'm gonna hit the light, and it looks kind of weird on the screen. It was green on this daggone what's the name, this camera, but there goes the light right there. All right, and I can see all the way out into the woods. I know y'all can't see as much, but I can see it because it actually has a nice little spot on it. All right, so I don't see no creatures. All right, you guys.